this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the debug mode in your WordPress website. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your website cPanel. Now there's two ways you can usually access this. The first method is just coming over to your website URL and typing in /cPanel and then hit enter. So that should take you directly over to the cPanel login page. Another way to get into it would be from your web hosting account. Usually there's a link somewhere in your web hosting where you can access the cPanel directly, and it usually doesn't require any login credentials. So once you're on your website cPanel, you then need to scroll down and click on File Manager, and then from here you need to click on the public_HTML folder. Then from here you need to find a file called wp-config.php, and we're just going to select this file like so and click on the edit button. So once you're in this file, you just need to scroll all the way down until you see this line of code here which says define wp debug, and currently it is set to false. So basically what you want to do is, if you want to enable the debug mode, you need to change this false statement to true, and if you want to disable the debug mode, you just simply need to set it to false. So typically if you're having an issue with your website or you're trying to debug or find an error code, you would usually have this set to true, but if your website's live and you're not experiencing any issues, then you want to set this statement here to false and then just press save changes. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you enable or disable debug mode on your WordPress website. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.